To clean up storage on Motorola Edge 50 Neo, we'll need to open our Google Files. You can do it by swiping your finger up like this, go to the Google and select Files. Right here we can go for the clean mode. Then you can clean your junk files. It will also highlight all of the large files that you can select and then remove. Or alternatively, if you don't want to use that, you can always go to the browse and select the files manually. So in this case, we can go for the images, select how much images we want to remove, and move them to the trash as well. And finally, don't forget to actually empty the trash, because otherwise the space will be still used. And you can do it by clicking on the three lines in the top left corner of Google Files, navigate to the trash, and then select all of the files and delete them like this. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.